In this video, I'll show you how you can change DNS server on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, the best way to do this is simply search for view network connections, and then you want to find the network that you're using or the one that you want to do it on. So I only have this one, which is my Ethernet. So right click and go to properties. Then in here, you have the option for your version 4 and version 6. Now you should just do it on the version 4 if you want, but you can also do it on version 6. But head in here and then you have the option to use the following DNS server. Then you can simply type in which one you want. And I think Google is this one, 8888.8844. I think this is the public Google one. So you can try and use this one. Just press OK and see if that does fix your issues. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. You can choose whichever one you want here. And I'm sure you can just Google some DNS servers. There's also one with 11111001, I believe, which is another one's. But that's basically how you do it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.